I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and today we're going to make these bottle cap openers. Let's check it out. Hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop. Aromatic red cedar, very fancy, bedroom stand. Woodshop cheer. For your dead burn eye protection. Seems like I've been doing a lot of scrap wood projects lately, but I've got so many small pieces of scrap that are nice pieces of wood. I think I'm going to do a plywood one just to see how that looks. Aside from using just scraps, I would like to mill some wood too, and I'm going to do that on my bandsaw. Here's the one I already made. I made this out of a piece of bloodwood that I got off a pallet. Here it is, off a pallet, bloodwood. Here are my pieces of mesquite that I got knocked out, and the osage orange. It'll be easier to make more once I get an initial one cut out. I'll cut this out and then use that, well, start transferring it to all of these pieces. Consider this a sister project to one that I'm gonna be doing. So I have been cutting and cutting and cutting. I've gotten this many cut out so far. Even the peach wood is hard to go through, and I've still got purple heart and walnut and maple. So it's taken a long time, but you just gotta be patient and get through it. This little notched part right here, I'm gonna try to do that on my scroll saw because it's a tighter curve. So I've had a very long bandsaw session, a pretty long scroll saw session, and an even longer sanding session. Now time for an even longer sanding session. But I sanded them all up to 220 grit before I go putting a mechanism on there that'll pop the top. And then I go ahead and finish them with spray lacquer. Mesquite's looking fancy. So last step was putting spray lacquer. Gathered up everything and brought it back home because I've been running a cold for the last couple days, and I'd rather work from the comfort of my chair. Is I take a washer, just kind of laying it on here where it looks like it's about centered. Mark with the screw, just some thumb pressure. I got a flag on my drill bit so I know not to go in too deep. I could just screw this on. Dude, flatheads suck. Let's see if it works. Very easy. Get rid of some scrap in your shop. Mill up some lumber to use for this, the osage orange and the mesquite. I think we did good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also be sure and subscribe to this channel too, because I post new woodworking projects every single Friday. Click the notification bell so you don't miss a video. I'll catch you next time.